Hey everyone, and welcome back. This video will cover a unique core and stabilizer exercise which recruits powerful muscle fibers to activate. As the demonstration shows, you will start in an elevated plank position. Next, ballistically position a foot external and lateral to the hip while the other remains in place. Opposite to the foot which moved, place a hand on the edge of the barbell and ensure you have a tight grip. Place the same side hand in a position where you can remain balanced when the barbell is hinged. For the movement to happen, the adductors of the lateral leg will stabilize the pelvis for the action of the external obliques and the lats to rotate the trunk. During the rotation, the biceps brachii, brachioradialis, and radialis muscles will flex the elbow, and the posterior deltoid will hyperextend the shoulder at the GH joint. Finally, the trapezius and the rhomboid muscle groups will aid in scapulae retraction and downward rotation. At this juncture, you can either pause for a set amount of time or eccentrically contract the muscles for subsequent repetitions and plyometric exercises.